Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to log in into your Snapchat on your desktop. So first of all, go to accounts.snapchat.com. Once you have entered in any browser you want, click on enter and you should be in this page. So first of all, you gotta add your username or your email on the first tab. I'm going to continue with mine. And finally, enter your password on the bottom tab. And now, once you have entered both of your information, finally click on this login button below the username or email and password tab. And finally, congratulations, you have successfully logged in into your Snapchat account on your desktop. From here, you can manage your account like sharing your Snap code or downloading your data or even changing your password here or managing the devices your Snapchat account is logged in into. So for more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and don't forget to share the video. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching.